In this video I will show you how you can make the most basic knot and the most useful knot also at the same time. Easy to understand. The overhand knot or the granny knot, it's really one loop. You tie it and that's it. You can tie a piece of string to a pole or to anything, any object, and you can also use this as a little bit of a stopper knot, but it's not very big for a stopper knot. Usually you tie something to the string, like a needle when you're sewing, or anything to a rope to a pole. The overhand knot is really universal, very basic, and one problem might be that if you tie it hard enough, you might have a hard time opening it. You might not be able to undo it easily. The overhand knot can, if it gets really tight, it's a bit difficult to undo. When you make the overhand knot, you really make one loop and then you bring the working end, the free end of the rope, inside of the loop and then pull it out, and that's it. That's the overhand knot. Very basic but useful at the same time. I believe everyone knows how to make this knot. It's really what everyone does when they want to make a knot, but it's not the best knot to make. When you need it quickly, this is it. It's there, the overhand knot. You can even make a few of them if you wanted to, but there are other knots that are better for this. So let me know in the comment section below if you want to see more videos about knots, about what better knots are than the overhand knot, and how to tie them. There will be a few more other videos about how to tie knots, and let me know in the comment section below if you want to see more videos about knots in general, how to tie things to your bags and how to make knots for any situation really. And hopefully you like this video. If you do, don't forget to press the like button below and write a comment. Tell us what you think about the video and what video you would like to see next. What kind of knot you want to know about, how to tie a new knot. You can make the overhand knot even with really thick rope. It works the same. It's really universal. And one thing to notice here is you should leave a bit of edge on the end of the rope, but you make this knot anywhere on the line at any point. All you need to have is one side of the line should be free to be able to put the rope inside the loop. Thanks for watching. Let me know in the comment section below what you think about this video. If you like it, press the like button, share it with your friends, and we'll see you in the next video.